In April 22, I traveled to Oulu, Finland, with the purpose of establishing a professional contacts network with different business and educational entities. Our main goal was to expand our network of collaborations with companies to continue promoting the participation of our students in Erasmus Plus mobility programs. In this part of the video I was arriving in Oulu, and I was so excited about the whole adventure, but I have to say, it was really cold out there. The first stop was at Ended Working, the company where one of our students was doing his Erasmus and whose CEO helped me expand my contacts network. We can see the office in right these pictures. One of the first entity he put me in contact with was the prestigious Finnish professional training school OSAU, where I met with the management team to propose a collaboration that would allow a bidirectional exchange of students. The day was fantastic, and the following week one of the department heads of OSAU would visit us at our school, ECAT BSN, in Barcelona. One of the things that shocked me the most about Finland was the amount of spaces designed and thought out for the development of children, especially based on play and experimentation, as we can see in these pictures. The following day, I had the opportunity to visit the University of Oulu, where we met the Innovation Center and the Fab Lab project from the MIT. After spending a few days in Oulu, I headed to the capital, Helsinki. The first thing I did when I got there was to visit the city library with the CEO of a company dedicated to the training of teachers in artificial intelligence, to teach it to students of all educational stages. The library is absolutely amazing. It offers different equipment such as 3D printers, musical instruments and recording studios, photography studios, printing shops, video game rooms to meet with family or friends, and everything totally free for Helsinki population. The reading space is fascinating, and I took the opportunity to stay for a while reading. In the afternoon, I went for a walk to get into the natural surroundings of the city, and the next day I attended one of the most important events in Helsinki, the May 1st party. For me, this has been one of the best experiences I have ever lived as a teacher, but also as a person. And I would love to live something like this again. Thank you.